Today we're going to be spelling some words in our Google Classroom. Each of the slides has a picture, and then on the other side of the slide, it has the right letters for the spelling, but they're all mixed up. You're going to have to figure out how to put them in order to spell the word. Let's do a couple together. My first picture is a picture of a bee. B-E. I know the beginning sound is a B, so I'm going to click and drag the B to the first line. Then I have E. I know E is a hunk and chunk, so I can put both double E's after the B. Then I'm going to look at the word and I'm going to see if it looks right. Does that look like the word bee? Yes, I did it correctly. Let's go to another one. This is a picture of an owl. Owl. I know ow is a hunk and chunk, so I'm going to put that hunk and chunk on the first and second lines. Ow. And then I hear the ending sound of an L. Owl. I'm going to double check that that word looks right. Owl. Yes, it does look right. You can go ahead and finish the rest of the spelling by yourself, and then turn it into Google Classroom when you're all finished.